Hello friends and family, and welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Jen, and on this channel we do makeup and beauty subscription unboxings, mystery unboxings, and clothing hauls. Now I just got up the clothing hauls, so please check out the link. I will put it somewhere here as we go. Today we are going to be unboxing the Chic Beauty Box. So this is one of my favorite subscription boxes because most of the items in here are makeup. Sometimes you get a beauty item, but for the most part it's always makeup, and I like that because I don't care so much for the beauty products. However, sometimes every now and then you may get one. In this box you get 5 full-sized items for $34.99, and it is a bi-monthly subscription, so it is a little bit pricier, but again it's like an every other month. So this one is the March-April box, and you do get to customize all of your choices as long as you catch the link when it's time to select your items. It's been a minute, so I don't even remember what I picked. I'm sure I'll remember as we go, but let's go ahead and get started. Comes in this cute little box here, and you do get the card with the variations. Now, or I'm sorry, I guess it's not the variations anymore. I guess it's just the pricing, which is super duper cool. I like that idea. So here's another little sneak peek. Alright, so I do remember that I picked the Huda Beauty Lip Pencil. I can't remember what color this is, so let's go ahead and check her out. It's a beautiful mauve color. I received one from Ipsy and I love it. That one's in the color called Cheerleader, so let's go ahead and test that on the skin. Oh, look at how lovely that is. So yeah, super excited about this. This is a retail value of $19, so good deal here. Then we have the Galaxy Lumiere Hyalographic Highlighter from L'Oreal. It's a little shiny. Don't know how well that's going to appear on camera. Looks like the color is called Galaxy Gold. Hopefully, so let's see how this works. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, that is Galaxy. I don't know if you can see how beautiful that color is, shimmering and shining, and it looks like it has quite a bit in the tube. Oh yeah, quite a good amount there. So this one is, let's look, what is this? Galaxy something. Okay, this is $9.99 for that, so we are off to a good start here on the value of our box. Love that highlighter. That's gorgeous. Alrighty, next we have the Moisture Lock Grapeseed Oil Infused Lip Treatment by Milani. I've heard a lot of great things about Milani, and I have not really tried these items, so let's go ahead and see how much that is. This is $10. Let's see. Okay, oh, nice and thick. Look at the applicator here, and let's go ahead and put that on. Oh yeah, very nice. Very nice glossy color. Oh, it does smell good, like grapeseed. It kind of reminds me of the Lip Smackers lip oils. So I'm interested to give that a try. It does smell very delicious. So this one again was $10. Rodin Luxury Lipstick. Now let's see what this luxury lipstick is all about. I'm all about the luxuriness of it. Ooh, very pretty. Now, what is this? Luxury lipstick. Wow, $38 for this. Look at how cute this little, it's really cute the way that it's all set up in here, clear and everything. Like, it is just fancy. This is in the color Pinky Winky. So let's see what Pinky Winky is. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at this color. Wow, she's pretty. Oh, she is a summer vacation color that I just might need to take on vacay. Ooh, yes, please. Oh yeah, I think she's going on vacation with us. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So there's that guy. And let's see, we have one more item in here, and this is the NARS Studio 54 palette. So this is a full-size palette. So let's see. This palette is $59. And I have yet to try NARS. I've tried a couple of lipsticks here and there, but I have not tried their eyeshadow palettes. So I had to get this. It's got these little star confetti inside. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh my, I love it. Look at these colors and how gorgeous they are. I cannot wait. Although this kind of reminds me of the Huda Beauty that we got in our Glam Bag X. Kind of similar vibes to that, but let's go ahead and give it a try. We're gonna try these two colors here. They're both matte and mauve colors. Oh, look at how nice that swapped. Oh, that's gorgeous. Now let's try a couple of the shimmers. We will try a pink and a brown as well. Ooh. Oh, that's a good palette. All right, that is awesome. Okay, I am super excited for this. Oh boy, like, let's do our recap, okay? We've got the full-size NARS palette. We got this beautiful, pretty Rodine lip color. We got the Huda Beauty lip liner in Cheerleader. We've got the Milani Grapeseed lip oil. And the Galaxy Lumiere hieroglyphic highlighter from L'Oreal. So yeah, I think this was an excellent box. I am pretty pleased with it. Again, as I was saying, this is one of my favorite subscriptions because it is makeup heavy. No beauty products, just makeup. No creams, no lotions. Like, this is my thing. So I'm pretty excited and pleased. I will put the pricing as we go. I will insert it and I will put the total at the end. And I will also leave a link down below of what the box cost. Or what the value of all the items in the box were, so that we can get a good idea of how well this box really was. Again, let me know your thoughts and what you thought about this box. And I also saw that there were some Too Faced options that didn't come out later. Like, it came out after I had already chose my items, so I didn't get to get any of those, but I'm very happy with what I did get. So yeah, leave your comments down below. Please consider subscribing, and I will see you on our next video. Bye, friends and family.